That was the same time for lane 1, Carlos Bryson Keynes of Jamaica College, the corporate area champion. He has a personal best of 151.25. The Class 1 boys, 800 final. Sent on their way. More great storylines. Joel Morgan, 3 times a champ silver medalist. He has a bronze from the 1500 meters here as well. He is the central champion this season. He's been able to control these races. Tywayne Sterling, last year's Class 2 champion. Oh, he gets stripped there because Sterling wants to go to the lead and DeJounte Lewis goes down. And that was my biggest concern, and I said it in the semi-final about DeJounte Lewis. He doesn't have the experience of being in these big finals. He's down and out. Yeah, this is a big final. Joel Morgan trying to front run, but Tywayne Sterling having none of it, keeping close orders. And here goes Carlos Bryson Keynes of Jamaica College to join him.
They're going to be really quick at the bell. It looks like about 53 seconds, 53 and a half. Joel Morgan does not have on his shades. I think he's going to go for the goal. Joel Morgan ahead of Carlos Bryson Keynes. Nahshon Ruto of Kingston College in 3rd. Malik Anderson in 4th for Edwin Allen. Kyle Reid of St. Elizabeth Technical coming through wide as well. Down the back straight away they go. Carlos Bryson Keynes trying to challenge Joel Morgan. Nahshon Ruto is well placed. Malik Anderson, the second Edwin Allen athlete, is not out of it either. He gets a little shove from Nahshon Ruto, but it's Morgan out front with the lead. This is what he's done all season. There is a mad batter behind him for the silver medal. It's Joel Morgan of Edwin Allen, Nahshon Ruto, Malik Anderson and Kyle Reid battling for silver. Tywayne Sterling coming forward as well. But Joel Morgan is at last the champs gold medalist. 149.94. He smashes his personal best. So many silver medals. Bronze in the 1500 meters. Not even the rain could deny him this time. He is covered in glory. Edwin Allen's Joel Morgan is your champion. I'm sticking with my bid. I said if he goes out there without shades, he loves running in shades. I said take off those shades, you get the goal. Breaks 1 minute 50. An amazing run